I'm Rich Gorman. I'm Vice President Societies and Community at Bank Student Union.
I'm Danielle. I'm Vice President of Education and Welfare at the Students' Union. Well, it's quite open to your own interpretation of how you define the role, but basically a SAB is a student who's been elected by the rest of the student body and
to represent them.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
On a variety of issues, whether it's sport to education and welfare. It's basically all about representation. We do what the students want us to do, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, but you choose your own priorities, so it's up to you how you spend your year and what your priorities are. With reason, obviously. Anybody can stand. I think I was a pretty good example of someone who wasn't involved in the union before. I heard about the elections, thought, actually I think I want the opportunity, I think I'd be good, so I found out some more information, nominated, or got myself nominated for a position, and then ran an election and won. So if there is anyone out there that's thinking, I've not been involved before, so I can't stand, you can.
Yeah, even if you just thought about it once when you've been wandering home pissed, that's where I first got the idea. I'm not, ashamed to say. Even if you've, briefly thought about it, just do it. The opportunity, the chance that you could actually, get elected and do something, and contribute, and really have an impact and a legacy. Just definitely give it a shot. Why not? What have you got to lose? We need people from every different background. I can only claim to know stuff from my experiences and people that I speak to. So if you've had a really interesting and unique experience at university, then you need to get involved and make sure that your view and the views of your friends is involved. If you're sat there thinking, wow, this sounds amazing, I'd really like the opportunity, but I just can't afford to take a year out of my student loan and everything, there is a living allowance, and you will be able to find a house, so don't let those be barriers to stopping you doing it. The main thing is that you give it a go and try.
Well, we do have a lot of fun, but there's a line, isn't there, between when the fun stops and the work starts. And
I think there's a lot of really interlinked there, and you can have fun doing it. When a student comes in to see you, it's not all deadly serious. There's potential for a lot of banter and practical jokes, with the SABs and staff.
Yeah, and having that environment with the rest of the team makes it easier to work together. So when you do have to do the serious stuff, it goes a lot smoothly because you actually,
It takes out a lot of the stress, having that sort of fun environment as well, and knowing that you can let loose. It's not all deadly serious, stuck in meeting chambers all day.
Yeah. Especially when you're in the office for long days, you can come in at 9 and not get home until 9 PM that night.
Especially in Bangor when it rains all the time as well.
I think one of the biggest successes we had this year was securing Wednesday afternoons off for students.
Yeah, that was a really big win. People have been trying to do this for years and get the university to commit to it, but we actually achieved it, and got Wednesday afternoons free for all students, so they could concentrate on personal development and building up their experiences in sport and volunteering.
It was a real student-led campaign as well, we got everyone involved. One of the first of its kind, really.
Cool, well, thank you for listening. Hope you've been inspired. I'm off to go and chase some student lives, but I think Brew first, cup of tea.
Oh yeah, good idea. Mine's a coffee.